Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find the fuse for the heated seats, you may guys have up to 4 fuses. Stay with us, we will explain where they're located. Some of those control the front seats, some of them actually control the rear seats and the front seats at the same time. So we'll show you guys where that fuse is located now. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the food well, you can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover, and that's where the fuses are. Now we'll come outside actually, so I can show you with a great detail. I took a picture so I can explain where the fuses are, because otherwise like that it's practically impossible for me to stick the camera there and show you with a great detail. So what we did, guys, as we showed you where the interior fuse box is located. This is the fuse box. We took a picture so we can show you with a great detail where all the fuses are located. The first fuse that you need to check for the front heated seats, guys, it's row number 1, 2, 3. That 20 amp fuse that you come right here, that's the fuse that you need to check. Okay, that fuse is for front heated seats. But right underneath it, guys, that 15 amp fuse, that's the one for the rear heated seats. Okay, if you have, some of you will have that option, some will not. Also, another one, guys, okay, if you come to row number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you come down to 1, 2, 3, that 7.5 amp fuse, that's known as module 4 fuse, that controls the heated seats as well. And those are not the only ones, guys, okay. You may have more fuses, and we're going to explain that in a second. On the back side of the fuse box, you can see all the names if you need them. We kind try to zoom it a little bit so we can show you with a great detail, and those are the fuses in the engine compartment. Okay, what we have right here specifically. So let me go ahead, turn the light on. You have one tap here, one there. You squish, pull the box out. On the back side, you can see the fuses printed. But what we did, actually, we guys printed them so we can show you with a great detail. Otherwise, it's impossible to see clearly. Now, if you look at that fuse, that's known as B+1, guys. IP B+1. That fuse right here, that's the one that controls the heated seats as well. It's a multi-fuse, so if you come to that big fuse assembly that you have right here, it will be the second fuse, 1, 2, the second fuse from left to right, guys, that fuse. You can check through the glass if it's broken, if it's burnt. Now, we'll have a video how to specifically replace that fuse and how to test it, because you will need to disconnect the car battery, and on these modern vehicles it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and you connect first. Otherwise you can cause damage to the engine, computer, electrical system, modules, and that could be super expensive to fix, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.